Over the past couple weeks, we talked about how you can go about finding the perfect theme for your web design projects, but then why doing it that way might not be the best use of your time. Last week, I also promised that I have a way for you to create your dream theme without any of the struggles we talked about. So today, we'll go over how you can plan that dream theme and how we can get one created for you. This approach works best if you take on clients with similar goals or in the same industry. For example, someone who wants to run a business based on affiliate links and ads needs a much different website than someone who runs a product or service-based business. So ideally, I want you to at least be narrowed down to saying you work with product or service-based businesses. If you can get even narrower and say you work with, say, business coaches, that is even better. Start by listing the goals your client has for their website. Why do they have a website in the first place? What is the first action they want their visitors to take when viewing their website? And what makes a client or customer decide to make a purchase? Being super clear on these things will make your next steps a lot easier. Once you know what goals your dream theme will need to support, make a list of features and layout options. For example, if you're working with product-based businesses, you'll need to be able to integrate with a shop easily. For service-based businesses, you might find that you need a full-width page template so they can make sales pages. Those are just a couple examples, but when I say layout options, think of things like sidebar or no sidebar, what the footer will look like, how the header will be laid out, and the overall look of the homepage. For features, think of things like the ability to have opt-in forms or a portfolio page. To make this part easier, look back at the last few websites you've done to see what they have in common. After you know what you want for the different layout and features, take a second to think about if there's anywhere you'll want more than one option available. Maybe for client A, you'll want a header section with a full-width image and call to action, while client B would be a better fit to have their headshot and a quick bio about them right at the top. You might even find that this leads you to wanting two totally different homepage designs available, and that is okay. This is your dream theme. You might run into something similar with the footer. You'll find that some clients are a great fit for the 3-column look, while others have content that fits better in longer rows. So you'd want two options available for how the footer is laid out. So based on the needs of your clients and the different features and layout options you want available, it's time to start on your mockups. First, start with just one design for each page and section of the website. So even if you want 2 or 3 different homepage options, start with just one and focus on creating a complete theme. Then go back and make variations for the different pages and areas you wanted options for. So for our previous example, you'd go back and mock up your second homepage option and the different footer layout you wanted. The key here is to keep the overall aesthetic the same so you can mix and match your different options for each of your clients. Remember, you can always change fonts and colors way more easily than you can change the overall structure of a theme. When you're done, you'll have designed a theme that you can use for all of your clients. With the multiple footer options, different homepage designs, landing page templates, webinar templates, you'll never have to go searching for a pre-made theme for your clients again. So now what? You might be thinking, okay, this is great. I have this awesome theme mocked up, but what do I do with it? Now it's time to bring these mockups to a developer and have them create your dream theme. If you can find a good developer who can build a robust theme that makes things easy for you, it is going to pay for itself within just a couple projects. No more searching for themes, no more giving random theme shops money for something that isn't quite perfect, and no more having to rely on someone else's design skills to serve your clients. And the best part is that you'll always have that developer in your back pocket in case you do run into a client who needs a few things tweaked. Next week on the blog, we're going to talk about how the two of us can make this dream theme happen, so stay tuned. If you have any questions at all about creating and designing your dream theme, leave a comment below and let me know. Otherwise, be sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you next time.